Widespread social distancing measures have produced some growing effects across land, air, and sea. From inside her living room in Mauritius, Absharaka can feel the world around her growing quieter.
Humanity was placing too much pressure on the natural world with damaging consequences. The COVID-19 pandemic has forced many countries to implement lockdowns and quarantine to decrease the spread of the virus. But if we look on the other side of the coin, I can now feel the world around me growing quieter. With the massive decrease in the human activity, nature is stabilizing. Our landscape is getting cleaner and greener, along with less gas emission and pollution across the globe. Well, guys, the earth is healing. Let's keep this new way of living alive after COVID-19. Let's make this world a better place to live in.